Hi, it's me, teacher Airon. Today, we're going to learn on chapter 3, which is 3.4, Fun and Games in Tudor Times. In this topic, we have two learning objectives. The first one is to explore the different type of entertainment in Tudor times. The second one is to examine how and why Tudor entertainment is different from the entertainment we enjoy today. During Tudor times, there was no television and radio. People could not go to cinema, play computer games, or download music. They could not do all of that. So, what was the entertainment that popular during Tudor times? Rich people invited musicians and actors into their homes. Rich people watch, play, and dance to music. They also enjoyed jousting, hunting, bowling, and playing chess. What is jousting? Jousting is a contest in which two men on a horseback will try to knock each other from their horses by using a long pole, just like on this picture. Poor people will have a hard life. They will work very hard for a long time. If they have a chance, they will use their time and spend it with a very fun activity. But what is the example of activity that the poor people do? Okay, some of the activity that they do is singing, fishing, archery, and dancing. In Tudor times, there was also a jugglers and an acrobat. They will travel from village to entertain people for a few coins. And people also watch a bear fight with a dog. Poor people also played an early type of football. In these football games, crowd of people from one village will play against crowd of people from another village. Football games during Tudor times were very cruel and violent. There's a spectator that wrote about this game. He said, "The players go home as they have been go to the war. They go home with a bleeding head and a broken bone." Okay, so as you can see, this is an example of football games during Tudor times. As you can see on the picture, you can just saw from their face some of the players will suffer from some injury. You can see that this game is really cruel and violent. During Tudor time, there was a theater, and this theater became very popular during that time. And both of the rich and poor people enjoy a visit to the theater. The theater were usually round. The roof did not always cover the whole building. So for the rich people, they will have the chance to sit on a comfortable seat, whereas the poor people will have to stood on an open area while watching the theater. Okay, that's all for our lesson today. See you on the next class.